So today is Sunday and I just came from my 12-hour shift and I'm super hungry. I already started my laundry. It's downstairs, so I'll go check it out. But right now I'm super hungry and I want to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have no idea. So let's figure this out and get something to eat. Happy Sunday. Okay, so I just remembered that yesterday when I went to church, my pastor's wife gave me this. It's kind of like a natural juice made with cloves and corn and dates. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna pour myself one. Right, so here I am, and look, it's good. It's good. So guys, that's my alarm. Let's go check it out. Okay, I need to go downstairs and take my laundry to the dryer. Okay, so I don't know. It's 11:07. I don't know if you can see. It's 11:07. I'm supposed to be downstairs like 11:02, right? So, and I'm in an apartment, and so like people are, always waiting to wash, and it's Sunday, so I don't really know if my things are safe in the washer. And we're already having problem with 3 of our machines. Should I say 4 of our machines? Like I do have heavy stuff, and so like I need a little bit of heat to dry it faster, right? But we only have like one machine that is working properly. Can you imagine the whole apartment? Okay, finally I'm here and I have one this machine is working. So guys, this is what I go through like every Sunday. Really, every Sunday. And it's not fun. Like it's not fun. And I really want this to be over, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you're living in an apartment. Let me know how your laundry room is. Like, how do you guys do it? Gosh, it's raining. What a lovely day. It's raining. Yay. So I just popped out to see how the weather is. I'm like, it's cloudy. What's happening? It's raining. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the kids playing. Amazing. Oh my God. Okay. Let's get back to the cooking session. Okay guys, so we're gonna start cooking. Let's check the time. It's 11:28. Color is coming out. So this is our wachi back home. So it's we add rice and then we add the sleeve and then it becomes like red. Beautiful. So it's 12:21. I'm gonna check my my laundry because I just realized it's time for me to go and see. Thankfully, I got everything dried. I'm kind of like... Alright, so it's dry. I'm gonna go ahead and get my clothes. I'm so tired. Like, I thought today I will get the time to go out and like have fun. Though it's raining, so I better like stay home, stay indoors, get a good food and eat. So whenever you finish using the dryer, kindly clean it. Like, clean it, be human, think for others. Like, the world does not revolve around you only. Think about other people, think about you. Like, if you come and the dryer is dirty and then you want to dry your clothes and you'll be like, ew, it's too bad. Something that brings negativity, clear it off. Let your people enjoy the environment, okay? Keep everybody safe. Like, so I love to always bring a paper towel along and like clean the dryer after I use, right? Thumbs up if you're doing that. Comment and let others know that it's good. And if you don't like seeing the dryer dirty, comment and let me know. Hey, we're going up. So when I was coming down, I used the stairs. Like, I love to do exercise. I'm a gym girl. I don't mind climbing the stairs to up, but I can take this. And already I'm in a hurry. Like, I'm cooking, I'm doing a lot of stuff, so I just took the elevator. And yeah, here I am. Whew. And this week is like, I have a pressure, like there's too much pressure in my head right now because Ghana is playing on Wednesday, FIFA World Cup, and I'm like, I have to prep for the whole week because I feel like I won't get that time that I usually get for the week, and I need to, I have my Ghana jerseys that I need to put them down today as well for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the big game. Yeah, the big game. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so I'm still on my food. I'm gonna prepare this to you and So it's what time is it? It's 3. I don't 3:21. I don't know if no 27. Let me reduce the brightness. 3:27. Yes. And I just finished cooking. Can you imagine? I gave myself 2 o'clock to finish, and now my whole day is done. But anyways, it was worth it. I was able to finish with my fish. I did a wache, I did a stew, and I did a little bit a little salad. Yeah, so it was worth it. It's 3:27, almost 4 p.m. and I'm almost done with half of the cleaning. I'm just gonna do the little ones and take out the garbage and clean the floor, and I'm done. Hopefully by 5 p.m. I should be sitting and relaxing and waiting for tomorrow. Can you imagine? Oh, and I have my laundry to fold. What a day. Do you guys go through all this like on your weekend, or maybe one day of your like working and cooking weekend, either Saturday or Sunday? Let me know in the comment section, because your girl is really going through a lot. Like, I don't know.